Hello students. Now today we discuss the question number 6 of exercise 9.3. Now question number 6. Diagonal AC and BD of a quadrilateral ABCD. Diagonal AC and BD of a quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral A B C D. The diagonal AC and BD lie perpendicular from D and perpendicular from B. That is 90 degree and 90 degree. Diagonal AC and BD of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O. Intersect at O. Intersect at O. Such that OB equal to OD. OB equal to OD if AB equal to CD. Then show that area of DOC equal to area of AOB, area of DCB equal to area of ACB, and third DA parallel to CB or ABCD is a parallelogram. Clear? Now OB equal to OD, OB equal to OD and AB equal to AC and AB equal to CD, AB equal to CD. DE perpendicular to EC, DE perpendicular to AC and BF also perpendicular to AC, DF also perpendicular to AC. In triangle DOE and ABOF, in triangle DOE and triangle BOF, in triangle DOE, DOE and BOF, in triangle DOE and BOF, angle DEO equal to angle BFO 90 degree. Angle DOE equal to angle BOF vertically opposite and OD equal to OB, then triangle DOE congruent angle BOF by angle side by angle side. So therefore area DOE equal to area BOF. Area DOE equal to area BOF. देखो ABCD एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल है जिसमें AC और BD दो डायगोनल है। हमने D से AC पर एक परपेंडिकुलर DE खींच लिया और B से एक परपेंडिकुलर AC पर BF खींच लिया। OB equal to OD and AB equal to CD is given. DE perpendicular to AC and BF perpendicular to AC. Now in triangle DOE and in triangle BOF, angle DEO equal to angle BFO 90 degree, angle DOE equal to angle BOF vertically opposite, and OD equal to OB. Then the triangle DOE congruent to the triangle BOF. Therefore area of DOE equal to the area of BOF. Clear? Now the remaining part. In triangle DEC and BFA, in triangle DEC and BFA, DEC and triangle BFA. Clear? DEC angle DEC equal to angle BFA 90 degree and CD equal to AB. CD equal to AB. CD equal to AB and DE equal to BF. DE equal to BF. So therefore triangle DEC congruent triangle BFA by RHS. So therefore area DEC equal to area BFA. Adding at first and second, then area DOE plus area DEC equal to area BOF plus area BFA. Therefore area DOE and DEC equal to DOC. Area DOC equal to the area BOA. A, BOA, RAOB, AOB. Now the first part is proved. Now the first part is proved. Clear? And the second part. And the second part, area DOC equal to the area. Second part, area DOC equal to the area AOB. Now area DOC add area OCB both side, then area DOC plus area OCB plus area AOB plus area OCB, that's equal to the area DCB equal to the area ABC. Second part is proved. And the third part, area DCB, area DCB equal to the area ABC. Now, if the two triangles are having the same base and equal area, there will be between the same parallel line DA parallel to BC, then the quadrilateral ABCD, one pair of opposite sides are equal, then AB equal to CD, then the ABCD is a parallelogram. That is, third part is proved. Clear? Okay, now the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7. D and E are points on the side AB and AC respectively. D and E are the point on the side AB and AC respectively. AB, C and DE. DE are the point on the side AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC, such that area DBC equal to area EBC. Area DBC equal to the area EBC. Prove that DE parallel to BC. Prove that DE parallel to BC. In triangle DBC and triangle EBC, triangle DBC and triangle EBC, both triangles are on the same base. Both triangles are on the same base BC and also having equal area. Both having equal area. DBC triangle DBC and triangle EBC having same base BC, having same base BC and also have equal area and also have equal area and also have equal area. Therefore they will lies between the same parallel line. Therefore they will lie between same parallel line, lines DE same parallel line DE and BC, DE and BC, such that DE parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC. Now the triangle DBC and triangle EBC are on the same base BC and also having the equal area. Therefore they will be lie between the same parallel line DE and BC. So therefore the DE parallel to BC, the DE parallel to BC. क्लियर? DE लाइन जो है वो BC लाइन के क्या है? पैरेलल है, क्योंकि ये दोनों ट्रायंगल इन दोनों लाइन के बीच में है, दोनों पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में है, इसलिए DE लाइन जो है BC लाइन के पैरेलल होगी. क्लियर? ओके, थैंक यू.